What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. You can see where I'm at, man. Let's go. Not a bad shoe at all. What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco is back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see in front of me, we're talking about that boy PG. Unfortunately, they just got eliminated last night. Dame Lillard with a great game, 50 points. Game winner dagger, sent him on the road. Crazy. Not sure when you guys will see this video, but that's what happened last night, man. Hopefully everybody's having a good day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see, we got this box right here. Only seen it on this channel maybe one other time with the NASA's. But let's go ahead and check out this color. It's pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And if you are new, subscribe with the notification bells on to be updated on every single thing that I put out. You feel me? Without further ado, let's get into this box, you dig? Like I said, typical box. Everything's pretty much the same like I said before. Let's go ahead and get into it. I thought this box was actually, you know, specific to the NASA because it has like some space type of things going on. I thought that's what this represented, but I guess not. If you have other PGs out there, if you guys own some PG3s, is this the normal box for you guys, or was I right? Let me know what you guys, let me know about that in the comment section below, because I thought these were just like a NASA thing, but like I said, I guess maybe not. Official colorway is black on black, bro. These are pretty dope. I like this colorway, man. I do. I'm gonna pull it out. I told you guys on the live stream, if you guys haven't seen that, here is the first look together, which is the PG3. It's like black on black. I'm not sure the actual name of this, what kind of nickname they're gonna have with it, stealth or something like that. It would have been dope if he was still in the playoffs while these were released. But let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Retail at a 110 price point, which for me, I think that's a great price point for a signature basketball sneaker. Let me get this other shoe out the bag, out the box. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. These are dope. Comment below, what do you guys rate these from a 1 to 10 scale, and if you guys would even try and go after these. Now that we have these both out the box, let me know what you guys think. I mean, it's all black upper. You have a strap type that goes with the laces. It's not a complete strap, but it's like some other type of material. I don't know the exact terminology for this, but it has like some type of reflective hologram thing going on. When the light hits it, it turns multiple colors, which I think is a really dope element they added to the shoe. Same thing with the Nike swoosh on the medial side, small Nike swoosh that does the same thing. All black upper, you have a little bit of gray by the toe box area of the midsole, and of course the outsole is gray, and the Nike Zoom pod is black. I think that's a dope little feature right there. Kind of reminds me of like a San Antonio Spurs shoe, something like that for somebody in the playoffs. Hopefully they play long enough to actually rock these if they haven't already done so. You know, NBA players wear shoes well before the public gets to them, bro. These are set to drop next month in May. These are dope though. Let me know what you guys think about them. I mean, for these to be an all black shoe, majority black shoe, of course they have that gray on there too, but most of it is black. The gray is real subtle. Good for people who are Raiders fans out there, or just like them in general, you know what I mean? Let me know your true thoughts and opinion. I like the material that they use on the tongue. It's almost like a bomber jacket material, if you will, as well as some of the padding on the outside of the heel, or where the ankle goes, where the ankle would be at. This shoe is dope though. Out of a 1 to 10, what do you guys rate this shoe? Like I said, 110 price point, not bad for a PG3. And out of the ones that have released, I think this might be my second favorite one. First is the NASA, this is the second. Not really a big fan of the BHM, not a really big fan of the Mamba mentality, which we will talk about that pretty soon. To get it actually up close and detailed look at those things, maybe I might change my mind or not. But what do you guys think about these? I want to call these like the stealths, but I have no idea what they will be nicknamed. Other than that, they are the black on black. I think set to release like May 10th or something like that. Comment down below. We're going to get to the highlights, which is up close and personal visuals of this shoe to show you guys the different things and features and highlights of the shoe, as well as an on feet. Give me your feedback down below, of course, in the comment section. If you are new, make sure you subscribe with notification bells on. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Deuces. Yo, I want to thank you guys once again for watching this video as well as every other video. And what I will start doing is this. I want to give you guys shout outs in the comment section, so I will try and do my best to screenshot some of the comments that get the most likes or just comments that I like. You feel me? We'll go ahead and highlight that among with other things, bro. Stay tuned and you'll see in the next video. Maybe this one. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, I want you guys to send me some of your collections. Make a video, maybe like 30 seconds to a minute, showing me the different shoes in your collections, and I'll highlight them in my videos, similar to this. Let me know what you think. Let's get to the video, you dig?